ability to bring up VMs instantaneously from backups within a couple minutes. The older legacy systems weren't able to do it, and the performance faster for Veeam as well over other things like eVault and other customers where we were before. Yeah, we had a storage system fail that had one of our customers' SQL servers on it, and using Veeam's instant recovery, we were able to restore within about 5 minutes to bring it back up and running for them.
The employee was a manager, had a board meeting that night and had deleted the report. Said they had saved it in their documents folder, which they had not because it wasn't in the Veeam backup. But I also back up a couple other locations on each server that they don't know about, and I ended up finding his file there and restoring it. So Veeam saved the day. I tell everybody I know if they're not using Veeam, they need to be, because it just works.
Veeam customers now for almost 3 years. I'd have to say up until recently, 3 months ago, we really had not leveraged Veeam to its true potential. We experienced on the weekend, late Saturday, it was on a late Saturday night, early Sunday morning, we experienced a crash of our file server, almost 6 terabytes of data. We had some pretty high VIPs working over the weekend that needed access to some of those files. While leveraging Veeam, we were able to, using Veeam Explorer, I was able to get into one of our previous backups and retrieve not only the files that those VIPs were needing access to work during the weekend, but at the same time, I was able to do a restore of the most current backup as well. And Veeam made that happen, almost a 6 terabyte server in under 4 hours. And we were up and running first thing Monday morning with a 0.9% data loss, which we were able to restore. So it was 100% recovery. No data loss at all. It hasn't been a whole lot of those incidents, but we've had a few. Had to do that in the middle of the day, and Veeam has saved us.